तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख मिलती रही है, लेकिन इंसाफ नहीं मिला मिलोड। महीनों सालों चक्कर काटते काटते इस अदालत के कई फरियादी खुद बन जाते हैं तारीख, और उन्हें भी मिलती है तो सिर्फ तारीख।
My name is Natarajan. I am a senior advocate of the country. I practice law more than 56 years now. So I practice both in the High Courts and in the Supreme Court, Delhi. And if I may say so, I earn my profession in that way. I make my living that way. And my father being a government servant, he wanted me to become a government servant by writing IAS exam and all that, which I have refused. And then I told them I'm going to be a lawyer. My father and mother, all the three rolled with the three other members of the family, rolled with laughter. They never understood the spirit in which I have mentioned. And begged, borrowed, etc., etc. I managed to survive it along with my friends. Never took any pie from the family.
Order, order!
Sanjay Dutt is one of the accused among the 121 tried. A van load of AK-56 rifles and about 50-40 grenades has been brought in. And in that case, Sanjay Dutt permitted the car to stay for 3 days. He took for himself only one rifle, automatic rifle. He possessed all these, one gun, one pistol earlier, so that also he had. Then he had this AK-56. Where is he going to shoot AK-56 rifle unless if it is in a war or something like that? And ultimately he has to pay for it, and then he has been convicted. Golf is one game where you can't even blame your partner or your enemy. Because golf is basically a game with you as a human being, an inanimate object like a ball. So the caddy who takes the ball and all that, he does not want to offend. So he will say, sir, konja left, right pitch, sir. Sir, konja left pitch, sir. I always used to tell those fellows, I say, as far as I am concerned, be free with me. So how you get it wrong? Like, basically, I would rather think like that. So I am an outdoor man mostly. So I used to go for trekking all over the country, trekking all over the world. That's why I went to Sierra Nevada mountains there in America, went to the Kilimanjaro in Africa. Most beautiful specimen of human beings lived there.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.
So Sishan is a great guide for me and things like that. He said, etc. Nadi, you drop the damn guns. Why do you want to kill animals? Shoot them with your camera. And he is the one who converted me into photography. This was my grandfather's picture. I'm 78. This is my grandfather's picture. So this one, playing with the computer, knowing as I know, etc. I have modified far half of it, but I'm still not satisfied to stop it. I've been playing with various things. My wife always calls this, etc., my toys. Nothing can beat Mac in either projecting your photography or your music. I have about 4,000-5,000 songs like that. I am also interested in photography. That will be about 10,000 pictures will be there. God, I have got my own reservations. I don't have much faith in God. I got faith in my conscience, but I do not have faith in God. Always, please be honest to yourself. To thine own self be true.
I'd like to sing to you if you'd like me to. I'd like to sing to you if you'd like me to. I'd like to sing, 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 sing to you, love. And I'd like to dance with you if you'd like me to. I'd like to dance with you if you'd like me to. I'd like to dance, 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 dance with you.